Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car, and today we get to do one of my favorite style videos, the Mad Scientist Dip, where you guys, the viewers, get to take control of the experiment and vote on which components we're going to mix together. Now, normally, we let you guys vote on the top 2 components to mix. This time, for the first time, we're going with 3. Are we gonna regret that? It's possible. Now, the 5 different components that you guys got to vote on were Persian blue, sulfur yellow, extra lime, Concord grape, and forest teal. And at the time that we're ready to spray, the top 3 voted colors are Persian blue, extra lime, and Concord grape. Now, will the color shifting properties of the Persian blue play a role in the end result? Will the Concord grape just overpower everything? Will the extra lime make the entire thing look like baby poop? There's only one way to find out. Enjoy the video. All right, guys, we are all done with today's project. And yes, going into this knowing we're gonna mix 3 different gallon colors, I was a little bit nervous. You never really know what you're gonna get. Luckily, it wasn't brown like most people think it was gonna be. As far as what color it is, I have no idea how to describe it, and I need your help. Below, I am going to pin a comment asking you guys to name this color. I want you to comment and name this color for me. The one comment that has the most likes in 72 hours, I'm gonna reach out to them and send them a DYC t-shirt. Let's go outside and check it out. If you wanna dip your car, click right up here. We have tons of colors and kits to choose from. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for taking the time to subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video.
Music.
Now, we put a poll up, and normally we only let you guys pick 2 different components to mix together, and for the first time, we wanted to do 3. Why? I have no idea. And for the first time, we went for 3. It's gonna get a little bit crazy. So, the 5 different colors we let you guys vote on, I don't know. I know Persian blue is in there, that's all I got. Get off. Leave a comment below. I want you guys to name this color. The comment that has the most likes. What? All right, guys, we are all done with today's project. I got nothing.